Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious barbecue sauce without vinegar. Creating a tangy, flavorful sauce without this common ingredient is entirely possible with the right approach. We will explore various substitutes for acidity, ensuring your sauce still has that signature zing. We will also delve into balancing sweetness and spice, which are essential for a well-rounded and deeply satisfying barbecue experience. Get ready to craft a unique and incredibly tasty sauce. To replace vinegar's acidity, consider using citrus juices. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice can introduce a vibrant, zesty tang. For a slightly sweeter and milder acidity, fruit juices like apple or pineapple work wonderfully, adding a different dimension of flavor. Don't forget mustard. A tablespoon or two of Dijon or even yellow mustard can contribute a fantastic, subtle tang and help emulsify your sauce, enhancing its overall body and taste. Achieving the perfect balance of sweetness and spice is key in any barbecue sauce. For sweetness, options like dark brown sugar, rich molasses, or pure maple syrup work beautifully, each adding its own unique character. To introduce warmth and complexity, incorporate spices such as smoked paprika for a smoky note, chili powder for mild heat, and a pinch of cayenne for a kick. Onion and garlic powder are also vital for building a savory foundation. Once your ingredients are combined, the final steps involve thickening and perfecting the flavor. Allow your sauce to simmer gently over low heat for at least 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to reduce and naturally thicken. If you need a quicker solution, a slurry of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water can be stirred in. Always taste your sauce and adjust the salt, pepper, or any other seasoning to ensure a truly delicious, vinegar-free barbecue sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.